Sun on the carpet, you're waiting by the door, wagging like you're saying, I've been ready for this all along. 4 little candles, treat crumbs on the floor. You tilt your head and somehow we love you even more. Happy 4th birthday, Cooper, our best boy, our friend. From the first sleepy cuddle to right here again. Every goofy little zoom, every nap on my heart. Happy 4th birthday, Cooper, you've been family from the start, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Tiny when we met you, now you guard the yard. Still chase your tail in circles like it's not that hard. Photos on the fridge door, pausing every frame. You don't know the words we say, but you know your name. Happy 4th birthday, Cooper, our best boy, our friend. From the first sleepy cuddle to right here again. Every goofy little zoom, every nap on my heart. Happy 4th birthday, Cooper, you've been family from the start. Hey, Coop! Here's to walks in any weather, snacks you somehow always find. Here's to growing old together, fur and laughter intertwined. Happy 4th birthday, Cooper, a sunshine on 4 paws. You turn this simple little house into the home it was. Every year a little fuller, every day a brand new start. Happy 4th